Hello TT Magazine followers. I have another unboxing here for something completely different to my normal stuff. So I'm just going to go into the packaging here and take it out. The big reveal will be the packaging, obviously. Now I have been keeping Bobby in the dark about this as well. He's very keen to find out what this is. You can hear things rattling about inside, which isn't a good sign. Right, let's go. Is there an easy way to open this? Does not look like it. So I'm just going to try and lift it up. There we go. And slide it out. I'm very, very excited about this. That is the back of it. And here is the front of it. There we go. The KO2. So the packaging is lovely. I'm not sure what this is here. Maybe it's so I can open up the plastic. So I'm just going to be very careful with this. Open this up. Take the plastic off. This will just be an unboxing today. I'm going to have to play around with it before I can show you what it can do. Okay. So, I'm going to slide out the box. I think that's what this is for. Oh yes, the nubbins for that. Okay. So the KO2. And it looks like this is a quick start guide on the front here. And I have some little knobs here I have to put on. There's something from there as well. So I'm just going to slide this out. This is a quick start guide, gives you a clue to what it is. And here is the device. So it's a music sampling device and composing device. I'll take the whole thing out of the box if I can. Seems quite hard. I'm just going to push it from behind somehow. That's what this finger holder's for. Yeah, don't want to damage it. It's quite hard to get out of the box. Now I can push it from behind. Here we go. There we go. I knew there was some way of doing it. There we go. Oh, it's quite heavy. So I'm going to move these out of the way. And show you the device. It's quite large. Quite cool looking. And these, yeah, the back of it. You can see some lovely designs at the back as well. I don't know very much about this, but I do know that it's a sampler. You can sample directly from your phone or any sort of line input. It has a headphone output. It's battery operatable, runs from USB-C as well. You can connect it to MIDI devices and you attach things like keyboards and guitars and so on to it. I do need to add these knobs here. And I presume that this is some sort of very, very quick how-to. I'm not entirely sure what this is, to be honest. Let's open it up and have a look. Is it instructions? Quick start guide. Guarantee warranty. Oh, they're stickers. Oh, lovely. And the stickers of some of the icons on the screen here. So I'm just going to have a go at quickly putting the knobs on, and then obviously to follow this up I'm going to have to show you how this device actually works. But the KO2 is from Teenage Engineering. Teenage Engineering are the company that make a lot of very, very nice devices, including, actually, they were part of the Playdates build during lockdown. I'm going to have a quick look at you can see here the instructions, which of these knobs go where. And I presume they match the colour of the device. So the black one goes onto the metronome here. Put that on like that, and then the orange one will match the BPM here. And the fader I think is grey. presume that goes on there. Yeah, the white one goes on there. I'm a bit worried about this fader one fitting because it's on a slightly different. Slightly different setting. Well, I guess that's the one there because it's grey on the diagram here. So I'll never give it a go. I'm a little bit nervous about putting it on, but I'm there we go. That was a little bit tougher to put on actually. A little bit less easy. There we go. That's on. I didn't damage it, but there's a fader button there. I guess it's because this didn't fit in the packaging. I'm going to have to sit down and have a look at this. There's a lot of information on here to process, but I look forward to having a bit of fun with this. It's one of those devices that no one actually needs, but maybe I can create the new theme tune for the TT Magazine podcast. Who knows? I do love the packaging. Muhammad Ali on the front there, and the top of the ring on the back. It's a lovely bit of packaging, a little kit. So I will have a fiddle with this. I will get it powered up and working, and then let you know in a later video how I found this. As always, like and subscribe, and do watch other videos. It's a very quick one, this one, and I'll let you know how I got on with this. Thanks for watching.